In section 2, part C here, we're going to look at dividing polynomials, and this will be a little bit new for you. We will look at dividing by a monomial and what happens there. We're going to do number 33 here. And then we'll get into dividing by binomials, where you either have to use polynomial long division, which is kind of a longer process, or synthetic division. So we'll do number 33 first. We'll start with the dividing by a monomial. Notice when I say dividing by a monomial, 6a is a monomial. All you have to do when you have any polynomial divided by a monomial, in this case it's a trinomial, is you just take each term in that polynomial and write it over what the monomial you're dividing by, and then simplify each term. So I'm going to go 24a cubed. I'm going to divide that by 6a, and then I have plus 3a squared. I'm going to divide that by 6a, and then I have plus 4a, and I'm going to divide that by 6a. So now you want to simplify within each term. So 24 divided by 6, 6 goes in there once and in there 4 times. This a will cancel with one of these, and I'm left with 4a squared. So my first term will be 4a squared. Everything cancels on the bottom. I could write it over 1, but I'm just going to choose to write it as 4a squared. This, in the middle term here, I have 3 over 6. 3 goes in there once and in there twice, so I end up with a 2 down here on the bottom. This a cancels with one of these and leaves me with an a. So I get plus, I have a 1a on top, so a, and then on the bottom I just have a 2. So my middle term there is plus a over 2. You could write it as 1/2 a. And then I simplify this third term here. So I have 4 over 6. 2 goes into 4 twice and into 6 3 times. And actually the a's are both to the first power, so they're going to cancel out. And so I get plus 2 over 3. And that is my answer. So I have a couple terms there that are really fractions.